Yung sa impeachment, ano yung ginagawa niyong paghanda? Natanong na po ba kayo? Sabi ni kahapon ni Senator Joel Villanueva, August 4 na yung talagang start ng trial.
August 4.
Oh, sir, parang
Ayun,
yun
so-
daw
so-
po yung
so-
yun daw ipo-propose, sir, kasi may informal talks daw yung 4 to 6 senators na ang plano August 4 na simulan yung pagko-convene as impeachment court. What can you say about this, sir?
Well, wala mang problema dyan sa pag-convene, but before we convene the impeachment court, expect me to 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 bring up one issue before the Senate, before the Senate, not the impeachment court, before the Senate. I will ask the Senate if again the Senate of the 28th Congress is willing to be bound by what the Senate of the 19th Congress has started.
Pero sir,
So we have to settle the issue of jurisdiction.
pero sir, conforme kayo na August 4 simulan instead na July 29 pagkatapos po ng SONA ng Pangulo at
Wala akong problema sa dates. I can go with any date that they want, but sabi ko nga lang, before we start to convene the impeachment court of the 20th Congress, i-bring up ko muna sa plenaryo ng Senado yung issue on jurisdiction. I-expect niyo yan. Hindi naman pagpasok namin, hindi naman kami kagad diretso papasok kasi impeachment court, Senate pa naman kami. Then, yun nga, i-bring up ko talaga yung issue on jurisdiction. We have to settle that issue first.
Kailan nyo gagawin yan, sir, sa July 29?
More or less, 29. Kasi 28 man na wala man kaming ibang itatagal sa 28, kundi organization lang muna. Then, SONA. So, after siguro, following day, you expect that to be presented before the plenary by this humble representation. Jurisdiction is very important. It has to be settled first.
Pero sir, ginigit ng ilang senador na hindi naman na dapat daw pong pag-usapan yung jurisdiction kasi noon pa daw na 19th Congress, na-establish na daw po ito. Ano pong masasabi niyo po? At sabi ni Senator Risa Ontiveros, once daw po na may motion, tatayo daw po siya, sir, para sabihin po yan na wala ng jurisdiction kasi na-establish na daw po yan.
Tatayuan tayo. Stand up everybody and debate on the floor. Yan ang mangyayari. Magdidebatihan natin, wala namang problema yan. Kailangan isettle talaga natin yan. Hindi po pwedeng hindi isettle. Dahil yung unfinished business, hindi naman sinasabi na unfinished business, legislative business lang yon, legislative matters lang, kundi wala mang distinguish either legislative or non-legislative business. Kapag unfinished business yan, it has to go back to zero.
Pero sabi ni Senator Ping, sir, trabaho ng prosekusyon at depensa at hindi ng mga senator judge yung paghahain ng mga motion at pleading na may kinalaman po sa impeachment case against VP Sara. What can you say about this, sir?
Yeah, opinion niya yan. Because nasa rules naman namin na pwedeng isettle ng Senado yung jurisdiction before mag-convene ng impeachment court. Pwede naman namin isettle yung the case itself. Maraming pwede isettle bago mag-convene as impeachment court.
Sir, sabi din po ni Sen. Risa, dapat daw po lahat ng mga usapin tungkol sa impeachment ay dapat sa impeachment court, hindi po sa plenaryo. Taliwas po dun sa unang plano niyo na sa plenary session niyo po i-open yung jurisdiction.
Opinion niya yan. Bakit? Na-form na ba ang impeachment court ng 28th Congress? Hindi pa naman. So, opinion lang niya yan.
So, igigate niyo pa rin po na pag-usapan sa plenaryo, i-bring up sa plenaryo?
Yes. Yeah. With the plenary, oo, kung bakit meron bang prohibition sa akin na mag-bring up that particular issue doon sa impeachment court? Wala namang prohibition sa akin para dyan. Oh, so kung ayaw niyang i-bring up ko doon sa Senado, sa plenaryo ng Senate, then I can bring it up with the impeachment court itself. Bakit may prohibition ba?